Today is April 6th, 2020. Doing our first actual hive check of the year. And our frames are looking pretty good, as you can tell. That is a lot of brood. Holy cow.
Holy cow.
It's a lot of
We
bees.
got a lot of old bees in here though too, you notice? They're all dark.
Man, my arm's getting tired.
Yeah, hang tight. I wish I had that hanger. Is that brood or capped honey?
Brood.
Yeah.
We're doing our first actual hive
Look at
check of
that.
the year. It's a lot.
We got, yeah. See, there's honey and stuff in there too. In different stages.
Actually, do you see any queen? Oh man, this was just a little wider.